Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's take a look again at the euro currency on the daily time frame. Well, we'll see by the current price action, yesterday's price action, that market in general is confirming our thoughts that probably that price action is just a retracement of that swing, because the nature of this moving is very gradual. This choppy price action on the intraday charts, not of that sort. That tells us that probably this is just a pullback from the significant support area. That is, just recall that this 127 extension of this pattern, A, B, C top, 127 extension, pullback from the confluence support on the daily time frame, and that is also 127 extension of that swing. Okay, so that is rather strong support. As you can see, market has shown the pullback right to the confluence resistance on the daily time frame, 128.40 area approximately, and take a look right to the weekly pivot resistance one. Well, we know that very often when the market retraces with the solid bearish trend on the daily time frame, weekly pivot resistance one holds the retracement, and that particularly also led us to judge that probably just a retracement if market holds below the weekly pivot resistance 1 during the retracement. Also take a look that this is also the classical swing low. That was, by the way, the resistance as well. So what we see currently? Currently we see that nice pattern is forming here right below the confluence resistance and weekly pivot resistance 1, the evening star, 3-bar Japanese candlestick pattern, although that is the current bar and market hasn't closed yet, but at least currently it looks almost perfect. So you can see this is just, in fact, this is pure, very amazing pattern, very good looking at current moment. That is the bearish pattern. So if we suggest that retracement probably is over, what potential destination of the further downward move? Well, we have a lot of different points to look at. First of all, if you'll take a look at this pattern, that is more stay in the touch with intraday charts. In this pattern, A, B, C top, we have 1618 extension around 126.05. It's right here. I do not have it in this chart since this is the daily picture. Well, but this is also the 1618 extension of that potential pattern. We have weekly pivot support one. It's 126.68. Next target of that pattern stands as 125.50, approximately 1618 extension of that pattern. And finally, we have the potential new ABCD, A, B, C top. D pattern will give us the agreement with the 124.73 618 support of the whole swing to the upside on the daily time frame. Well, since market behaves very nice with this ABCD pattern, I suggest that probably, since market respects all these targets, 618, 100% extension of this ABCD, 127, so I can exclude that. It's logically suggests that probably 1618 is a nice target to watch for. Maybe it will happen not on current week, but that probably could be the significant target of this potential move to the downside. Well, but in general, the overall development of the market below the 126.40 area and some acceleration to the downside will more and more increase the probability of the medium-term downward trend in a row with the downward channel on the weekly time frame that market stands with. It's approximately more than the one and a half of the year. So that could be really dramatic continuation in the medium term perspective if market really will show some acceleration to the downside. Well, although trend holds bullish on the daily time frame, the current price action and how market responds with this resistance tells us that probably it's better to search for the possibility to enter short rather than enter long. Because for me, I will think about the entering on the long side of the market if market will strongly returns inside of this coil, as we have discussed, okay, with some thrust and acceleration. Only in this case I will think about the entering on the long side of the market. But currently, market shows us no suspicions that that's just a retracement, and overall price action and how market responds on these extensions, well, very smooth, even theoretical, that market responds almost perfect as it should in the case of the moving with the extensions. So that is just as in the book, in fact. So what we see on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we see our yesterday's trading plan. As you can see, it works nice. So it's our very gradual, perfect ABCD patterns, very harmonic. So you can look that the number of bars here and here is the same, just the difference just with the one bar. As you can see, market has finished this upward move right here, but it should be right here. But in general, this is very, in fact, the kind of the ABCD patterns that I would like to see on the market and would like to trade, because harmonic price action, harmonic ABCD patterns, very as a rule leads to significant resistance in the completion point. And since this was also the weekly pivot resistance and confluence resistance, so we said that was nice possibility to enter short, and you can see how market responds on that. It's really thrusting acceleration to the downside. It's a very strong move to the downside. Well, and if you'll take a look at nature and way of how market moves up, it's very choppy, smooth, choppy price action. There's a lot of retracement, long shadows of the candles, and how market develops to the downside. As you can see, that is a really thrusting move currently, and that's also gives some points in favor of bearish development. On trend has turned bearish on the hour time frame. On the hourly time frame, we see another detail of our trading plan. Yesterday we said that we will be lucky if market will give us the butterfly. So that has happened. The final point, the reversal point, was accompanied by the butterfly sell, 127 butterfly sell. That was just a overall very amazing, and you could say from the arc point of the trading, it's very perfect picture, outstanding picture, since it's very not how to express my feelings currently looking at that. Take a look just the very harmonic ABCD that was finished by the butterfly sell right in a reversal pattern point. That is just amazing. Well, consider thrust acceleration to the downside. Trend also holds bearish on the hourly time frame. Well, what we could do now, personally, I do not want to buy with this sort of the price action to the downside. Also, I do not want to buy by the good harmony in the ABCD pattern. If market could show some faster CD leg and has shown that retracement, in this case I probably could thought about the buying on the 618 support of the whole swing, with the hope that probably market could proceed high to 127 or 1618. But here we have very harmonic pattern. It tells that it's very low probability that market after the significant retracement could proceed high to the 127 or 1618. Usually this leads to this ABCD pattern probably has better chances to work as a reversal pattern rather than to be the continuation to the greater extension, because we have no signs for that. Very sharp price action right at the end. We have the reversal pattern and we have very harmonic legs. That is usually leads to the reversal, not to the continuation. From that standpoint, I probably better will start to possibility to enter short. And since market not oversold, and not at the significant support area, the better choice to enter on the short side of the market is the nearest free 8 resistance. That resistance stands around 127.60, 127.68 area. Also take a look that that is also the previous swing high, swing low of the butterfly. Well, this potential context for the downward acceleration and downward development will fail, I suppose, if market will erase this thrusting bar on the 4-hour time frame. So if market will reverse to the upside and erase this thrusting bar, continue to move to the upside, then probably we could say, well, that is possible that market will continue to move to the upside. So from that standpoint, since that is our context for the trading, ABCD pattern, reversal pattern, significant resistance, shifting of the trends on the intraday charts, and nice thrusting acceleration to the downside, that is our context. One thing that we do not want to see is the erasing of this candle, and hence our stop should be somewhere above this high of this candle, somewhere above this area. So that is what I particularly will be doing during today's trading session, and we'll try to join this downward continuation, since that might be a really significant move to the downside. Because what we have, we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Thrusting move to the downside, ABCD retracement, that's very common. Continuation to the downside, that's very probable. Nature of this price action, as I said, not of this kind. So that is probably just a retracement. A lot of moments that we have just discussed points on that the retracement quality of this current upward bounce from this support area. So that is my personal view on the market. I hope that it could be useful for you. Well, at least some details maybe you will use in your trading. Well, and see you tomorrow.